I've realized one thing. I'm a very bad person for you to advise. When it comes to your relationship, don't advise me. I deserve better. Kaneni better yami. You are so pretty, you deserve better. No, we better yam. You deserve happiness, we happiness yam. No, he's cheating on you. You know what? Choose yourself. Kaneni, I choose him. And if I choose him myself, meaning I must be happy, and my happiness, we. Kaloku no friend, advise. I'm not that person for you to advise. Like ndithanda gqithi, and uma ndithanda musungixelela otherwise. Like ndiyamthanda. You understand? Ndifuna yena lo musungixelela uba hey, you deserve a loving what man. He's loving him ngoku. Ndithanda le nto andilava ngayo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ukukosikotheni is back again with another video. This time she's saying ukuthi uqala ukuthi ngingabe advisor ngima relationship advice wakawafuni uthi nje ke lani kumtshela ukuthi kufanele ahlukane nabane, like she must choose herself nani uthi nje lokho kwekeleni because she won't even listen to you guys. Uthi yena wento lokufuna nguye ngesikhathi sakhe nje tindzaba tema relationship usentoma advisor khohlwani because she won't even listen to you guys. Seems like ugogo Sikhotheni makabhorekile ubekacabanga ukuthi ngiyothini ngiyokhuluma ngithini namuhla. If angaqali live yowenda video and kanjani wena ukuthi angeke azayivali live ngaphandle kokuthi akhulume something mhlambe le off or level ibhore bantu or lento abantu baqabanga ukuthi mara right mara kahle uSikhotheni. Ever since ugela announce ukuthi she's no longer isangoma, people are saying ukuthi ngathi khona neskrufu lesiphumile kancane la kuye because that ikhuluma these days they are just not making sense. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.